Hello students and welcome to our online classes. Your go-to channel to revise, visualize and actualize science. Today, we will learn one of the most important concepts in physics. Force. So let's begin. Do you know what is force? By the end of this video you will be able to 1. Clearly define what force is. 2. Explain how force affects objects. 3. Describe the two main types of forces. So, let's talk about force. Basically, a force is nothing but a push or a pull that happens in a specific direction. You can think of it as something that occurs whenever one object interacts with another, and yes, that interaction results in a force being applied. Pulling means using force to bring something closer to you. For example, when you pull a block, it moves toward you because of the force you are using. The opposite of pulling is pushing. Pushing is the force you exert to move something away from you. When you push a block, it moves away from you. Quick question, what exactly can a force do? A force can make an object move. For example, when an ice hockey player hits the puck, they are using force to get it moving across the ice. A force can also change the direction of a moving object. For example, when a volleyball player hits the ball, they use force to send it in a new direction. A force can make a moving object to speed up. A cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal her bicycle and increase its speed. A force can stop a moving object. A baseball player uses a force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. A force can change the property of a material. A baker uses a force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. Time for the next question. What are the two main categories of forces? Two categories of forces. There are two main categories of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces result from two objects touching each other. For example, dribbling a basketball or kicking a soccer ball or hitting a shuttlecock. Non-contact forces act on an object without coming into contact with another object. For example, gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. Magnetic force. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. It is the push or pull exerted by a magnet. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force by which an object attracts another object towards itself. The Earth pulls objects towards itself due to its gravitational force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force that exists between electrically charged particles. Now it's your turn. Can you answer these? What is force? What can a force do? Can you give examples of the two main types of forces? We hope you enjoyed exploring this fascinating lesson on force. Thank you so much for watching, and keep learning with us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our online classes. Your go-to channel to revise, visualize and actualize science.